I don't know if you can see how steep this is, but bikers do this trail. Not this biker. I'll tell you that. And here, if you fall, if you don't break your whatever by falling down in a ravine, you're at least gonna catch a whole bunch of cactus. Doesn't look like fun to me, but it's beautiful. Everybody on the trail has been very sweet and nice. On my way to a pyramid. I'm not going to go to the top. I'm going to turn off. And go on. I'm on the pyramid trail now, but I'm going to turn off and go on Scorpion Trail. And it makes it about an hour and a half loop. They said it was going to get hard from here, and I see what they're talking about. I've only been walking a few minutes. Look at the elevation. Wow. I'm not qualified to ride a bike on this stuff. That's for sure. Positively. Wow. GPS tracker's not going to help you if you fall down in a hole like that, because you can't get satellite service in those holes. Anyway, I won't fall in what I was at.